Poloniex Crypto Exchange Review, My Usage Experience. Poloniex is one of the established players in the cryptocurrency exchange market, offering a range of features for both beginners and experienced traders. In this review, I'll share my experience with the platform, covering its key features, user interface, security measures, and the overall trading experience. Poloniex has been around since 2014 and offers a wide variety of cryptocurrencies for trading, including popular ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. It supports spot trading, margin trading, and futures, providing flexibility for different types of traders. The platform has an intuitive interface that makes it easy to navigate, even if you're new to crypto. For advanced traders, Poloniex offers detailed charts, advanced order types, and a range of analytical tools to help you make informed decisions. One feature that stands out is the Poloniex staking option, which allows users to earn passive income by staking certain cryptocurrencies directly on the exchange. In terms of security, Poloniex uses standard industry practices like two-factor authentication, 2FA, to help protect user accounts. It also has a history of being secure, although it's always wise to store your assets in a private wallet if you're concerned about long-term storage. The platform is based in the US, and while it does offer support for several countries, its availability can vary depending on your location. One downside is that the fee structure can be a bit high compared to some competitors, particularly for those who trade frequently or with large amounts. However, the fees are relatively competitive when you compare them to other established exchanges, especially for users who trade higher volumes. Customer support is responsive, though not always as fast as some might expect. In my experience, the response time was reasonable, and most issues were resolved promptly. Poloniex also offers an extensive help center with guides and FAQs to assist with common problems. Overall, Poloniex offers a solid trading experience for both beginners and experienced traders. While the fee structure and customer support could be improved, the wide range of cryptocurrencies, features, and security measures make it a worthwhile exchange to consider for anyone looking to get into crypto trading or diversify their portfolio.